Not even the most shocking thing happened in the past 72 hours. Shiba Inu whales recently made approximately $50 million. The charts have gone dark due to a burn rate explosion of 78,000%, supply is going down, and Shiba is now testing a critical price level that might set off a breakout to 1,800 units. Is this the first step towards Shib's next great goal? You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inus or own Shib tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inus. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Additionally, before we continue, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens every single day. Anyone who subscribes to the channel, likes this video, and comments with the hashtag Shiba Inu will be entered. I wish you the best. But first, let's check at the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on August 13th before we get into our issue, alright? The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 1,368 units. The 24-hour trading volume for Shib was 300. These costs may have changed by the time you view the movie, so please bear that in mind. Keep in mind that this is not a recommendation for tax or investment strategies. The video for today is ready to go. Prior to the crucial Shib pricing test, Shiba Inu experiences a 300% spike in large money transactions. Approximately $18 million was the value of Shiba Inu transfers above $100,000 on August 10th. Into the block was approaching $50 million by August 13th. There were no big announcements and the surge happened suddenly. Meanwhile, Shib's price was essentially flat at the time. Typically, the price of the token ranged from, after a brief dip, to 1,262 units late on August 12th, the SHIB price recovered to over 1,400 units early the next day, marking the only significant movement. That recovery occurred along with the increase in major transactions, indicating that larger investors reacted to the decline by purchasing heavily instead than selling in a panic. There are often two outcomes to high-value transfers like these. Coins are delivered to exchanges to be sold, or they are transferred into private custody. Although whale activity increased, the price of Shiba Inu currency remained unchanged. It appears that the second option is the more likely one. Keeping those money off exchanges can assist keep prices supported by reducing the immediate supply that can be exchanged. After Shib coin, what comes next? What happens in the upcoming sessions will reveal if this was an isolated incident or the beginning of a larger trend. We will finally break through the ceiling that has been halting every rally this month if daily major transactions exceed $40 million and the price can rise to 1,450 to 1,500 units. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. You can support the channel without spending a dime. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inus and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. New life for Shiba Inus. After a 30% increase in new wallets, it is possible. It appears like Shiba Inu is showing signs of new bullish momentum, which is partly explained by the considerable increase in network activity. According to current on-chain data, the daily unique wallet count jumped by roughly 30% from about 3,000 to almost 4,000 on August 7th and 9th. This statistic has subsequently dropped below 3,000. But the short surge is significant because it indicates that new participants are showing interest in becoming part of the Shib ecosystem. Why are new wallets beneficial to Shibi? In the past, such surges in wallet creation have happened before market activity levels have risen, suggesting that higher liquidity and trade volume may be necessary to sustain an upward trend. According to technical analysis, Shib has recently surpassed a price ceiling that has been in place for several weeks, formed by an ascending trendline resistance. This breakout indicates that buyers are trying to regain control of the market structure. The next big hurdle is the 200-day exponential moving average, EMA, which is acting as a strong resistance level at the moment. With a decisive closing above this level, further gains could be possible. The bullish potential is growing as the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, approaches a bullish cross above the 100-day EMA, positive prognosis. However, because to the recent drop in unique wallet activity, there is still a short-term risk. To confirm the breakout and maintain momentum, Shibi will likely need an extra increase in network activity and trade volume. Consolidation or regression may ensue if the rally fails to break through the 200 EMA due to inconsistent participation. Finally, Shiba Inu's technical breakout and the recent uptick in fresh wallet inflows provide a favorable setting for a potential price recovery. Breaking through the 200 EMA and triggering a bullish EMA crossover would indicate that Shib is starting a longer-term rally. A lot will depend on the next sessions to decide whether this recent revival finds lasting traction. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. The Shiba Inu's metabolic rate increases by more than 78,000%. Am I seeing the beginning of a huge price increase? The Shiba Inu's burn rate has been in the news due to a shocking increase of 78,273.79% in the last day alone. The burn rate has jumped dramatically, and it's happening just when the Shiba Inu price is beginning to show signs of life. The supply of Shib tokens has been significantly reduced, with 87,950 Shiba Inu prices have risen to the point where they have surpassed their 200-day simple moving average of 1,355 units, an encouraging indicator of further expansion. A deflationary effect and an increase in demand have ensued due to the scarcity of supply caused by the burn rate.